This is the OASIS News Organization. Oh no.
All right, this is the back of the cabin. And it's summertime. And in Texas, it gets very, very hot. Air conditioning did not come to this part of the country until the 1950s. And I don't have any air conditioning down there at the cabin. So I tried to do one of those. I think this was before I did my redneck air conditioner with 4 styrofoam ice chests, which failed 100%. The cabin faces west. Not faces, well, the back of it faces west. So I guess that's considered facing west. And it gets gets 9 hours of direct sunlight. So my thinking was, and since I don't have any insulation in the cabin, my thinking was that if I could create some more shade for that back wall, that then it won't be so hot inside. As you can see, I picked up some earth-toned living room curtains while I was junking. And I hung them up there on the back of the cabin there, thinking that would cool down that wall and conversely be cooler inside. That failed 100% too. But it looks kind of cool on there. It looks kind of like there's a stage, so unintended consequences of an experiment. But I left them up there for a good while, just that sometimes I'd put somebody's head sticking through there and I could talk to my imaginary friends.
Today's report is dedicated to the band CREEDENCE CLEARWATER REVIVAL. Album, COSMO'S factor in the song, Looking Out My Back Door. Here's the lyric. Looking out my back door, there's a giant doing cartwheels. A statue wearing high heels. Look at all the happy creatures dancing on the lawn. I got an old Kenwood stereo listening to Willie Nelson. Do, sitting on my back porch. Remember, Onos, enjoy that back porch while you're on the off-grid. World peace begins at home.